Open source tax software review using experience. Thomson Realtor Open Source is a comprehensive tax automation platform designed to centralize and streamline the entire tax lifecycle for corporation. It offers solutions in various tax processes, including compliance, reporting, and planning, aiming to enhance accuracy and efficiency in tax management. And here are the key features about this platform. It provides tools for corporate tax compliance, reporting, and planning, and also combines extensive global tax information with expert backed up solution to create a unified tax engine, and also designed to be accessible to users with varying level of tax expertise, and also offer a responsive customer services to assist users with their queries and issues. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So starting with the pros, many users find the platform intuitive, allowing individuals without extensive tax knowledge to navigate the software seamlessly. And also users have a precise, the prompt and helpful assistance provided by the customer service team, and also offered a holistic suite of products tailored specifically for tax compliance, simplifying the complex tax processes. And here is the downside about this platform. Some users feel the pricing is on the higher side, especially for smaller businesses. The initial setup and integration can be incurred, requiring decided dedicated resources. And also, despite the user-friendly design, some users may experience a learning curve when exploring the advanced features. And here are the final conclusion about this platform. Open source is a robust solution for corporate tax management, offering comprehensive tools and reliable performance. While it streamlines tax processes and reduces manual effort, potential users should consider the cost implication and be prepared for a potential complex implementation process.